Hello, friends, parents, student, teachers. My name is Pratibha. Now, uh, in this video, we are going to learn about addition and subtraction. More about addition and subtractions means some more problems. So, in this video, we'll cover topics. Yeah, the topic number one will be addition of three-digit number without carryover. Then addition of three-digit number with carryover. Then subtraction of three-digit number without borrowing, subtraction of three-digit number with borrowing, and story sums. And definitely, I will provide some worksheet for your reference so you can solve many problems. So let's go and start with the first topic, addition of three-digit number without carry. So in the previous class or in the previous video, the addition and subtraction video, you please go through it and you will know how I teach the steps. But no problem. Here I will also repeat the same in very fast manner. Okay. So the steps to follow. First, the numbers that we are given to add that should be right in HTO pattern. So simply we'll write the number in HTO pattern. The next step, add ones group, then tens group, and then add hundreds groups. So let's see example. The example is add 121 and 865. So how we'll do that? We have to follow the step. The step number one is write the number in HTO pattern. So 121 and 865 we have to write in HTO pattern. Then how you will write it quickly? Simple. Whatever the number come in whatever place, we have to write it respectively. For example, in a 865, the 5 in the ones place, so we will write first 5 below F, and then 6 below T, and 8 below H respectively. Similarly with 121, 1 will be right, we will write 1 below O, then 2 below T, and 1 below H. Then we have to add these three respectively. The order of addition is ones group added first, tens group added at the second number, and then we have to add 100 group at the last. So we have to write in the HTO pattern. So 120 will be below HTO and 865 with sign of addition. Then now we have to add. Then 5 plus 1 is the next number is a 6. Then 6 plus 2 is a, we have to add 2 after 6. We have to count 2 after 6, that is 7 and 8. So below T the answer will be 8, and 8 plus 1 is the next number, that is will be 9. So the answer will be 986. We will do some more problems on that. So let's go to the whiteboard. Yeah. So let's say we have to add, just a moment, add 251 and 328. So simply we have to write an HTO pattern, that is H, T, and O. So we have to write 251 in HTO pattern, that is 251, and then with the sign of addition we have to write 328 in HTO pattern. Now simply we have to add these numbers. So first we have to add ones group. So how you will add ones group? 8 plus 1, that is the addition rule. If 1 added to any number, then that will be the next number. 8 plus 1 is 9. Then 5 plus 2, we have to count 2 after 5, the 6 and 7. So here 5 plus 2 is 7. Now 3 plus 2, we have to add 3 after 2. So we have to draw the 3 line and then count after 2. 3, 4, 5. So you have to write 5 in this below the 3 plus 2. So here you will get the answer 579. Now take one more example. Now add 130 and 357. Then simply the step one is the write the number in HTO pattern, then 130 in HTO pattern and 357 in HTO pattern as well. So addition of these two digits are 0 plus 7 is the same number 7, that is addition rule. 3 plus 5, now count 5 after 3. Okay, so after 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So here 3 plus 8 is 3 plus 5 is 8. Now 3 plus 1 is the next digit after 3, that is the 4. So here you will get the answer 485. I hope there is no problem in this. So if you have any problem or any particular uh, addition issue, and please do comment me. I'll try to answer all the questions. Now move to the next slide. Yeah. So the next topic is addition of three-digit number with carryover. Now the steps are same. We have to write the number in HTO pattern first, or we can say we have to regroup, and then we have to add ones group, then tens group, and lastly 100 group. Now here we are adding with carry. So maybe carry come in any of these group. If carry comes, then it is going to add with the next group. Okay, we'll see many examples of this. So let's see for first example. We have to add 576 and 185. Now we have to write in HTO pattern. Okay, then HTO pattern, we have to write these two number in HTO pattern. Then we'll write 576 and 185 in HTO pattern. Now we have to add. Now as we know 6 plus 5, we get the carry. So 6 plus 5 is 11. You have to count 5 after 6. So 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. You get 11. That is a two-digit number. So 1 will be carry and 1 will be the addition. So 1 will come below 6 plus 5. And now this second one, that is a carry, that is going to add with the tens group. That is the next group. So now we have to add 7 plus 1 plus 8. So 7 plus 1 is 8, the next number. Now it will become 8 plus 8. 8 plus 8, you have to count 8 after 8. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. So here again you got carry. Carry will be 1 and the answer below T is 6. So we have to add one more carry with the 100 group. So 5 plus 1 is next number 6. 6 plus 1 is next number 7. So here you will get the answer 761. Now we'll see more examples. So let's quickly go to the whiteboard. Now we have to add with carry. Add 464 and 372. Suppose that we have this problem. Okay. Now write the number in HTO pattern, then 464 and add 372. This is 7 actually. So we'll write 7. Okay, now we have to add 4 plus 2. Now we have to count 2 after 4, that is 5 and 6. And now 6 plus 7. We have to count 6 after 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. Now you will get the 13. The 3 will come below the answer, that is a 3. And then this one is the carry. This carry is going to add with the next group, that is a tens group. Sorry, the next group, which is a 100 group. Okay. So this one is going to add with 100 group. And 4 plus 1 is the next number 5. Now 5 plus 3. Count 3 after 5, 6, 7 and 8. That will be the 8. So answer will be 836. Now see the next example as well. So suppose we have to add 26 and 884. Now we have to write the number in HTO pattern. Then in 26, there is no 100. So we'll write 0 over there or we write nothing. So simply it will come 26. Now we have to add 884 in this. So we'll write 884 in HTO pattern. Then 4 plus 6. Count 4 after 6. 7, 8, 9 and 10. Here you will get 10. 0 will be the answer. 1 is going to be carry. That added to the tens group. So 6 plus 4 is 10 ka 0, 0 and 1 is going to be carry. 8 plus 2, now we have to 2 plus 1 is 3, the next number, and now we have to add 3 to 8. Then we will count 3 after 8, 9, 10 and 11. In 11, this will be the answer, we will write here, and then this one is carry. That is going to add with the next group, that is 8 plus 1 is 9, that is a next number addition rule. Okay, here you will get answer the 910. So I hope there is no doubt the addition of 3-digit number with carry. Now there is one more problem. Okay, let's see. If we want to add 738 and 343. Now how we'll do that? We take some big number, okay? Then we have to write the numbers in HTO pattern and then add. So 738 in HTO pattern and 343 in the HTO pattern with addition sign. So 8 plus 3, count 3 after 8, 9, 10 and 11. Here you will get 1 and 1 is going to be carry with the next number. Now we have to add 3 plus 4 or plus 1. So 3 plus 1 is 4, the next number, and 4 plus 4, we have to count 4 after 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So that will be the I think its color is changed. Now again change. Okay, so that will be the 8. So now there is no carry. Now we have to add the hundreds group. 7 plus 3. As we know, we have to count 3 after 7. It will come 10. So there is no other digit to get carry. So we'll simply write 10 over here. The answer will be 1081. I hope it is very, very clear to you and there is no doubt in this. So let's quickly move to the next topic. That is a subtraction of 3-digit number without borrowing. Without borrowing, simply the step number 1 is same. We have to write in HTO pattern, then subtract ones group, then subtract tens group, and lastly subtract hundreds group. Let's see example. Subtract 152 from 387. So how we'll do that? The first step, HTO pattern. We have to write the number in HTO pattern. So we will quickly write 387 in HTO pattern and 152 in HTO pattern with the sign of minus. Okay, so 7 minus 2. We have to draw the 7 lines and we will subcut the 2 lines from the 7. Or you can count till the 7 after 2. Yeah, you have to count till the 7 after 2 means 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and count again. So you will get the 5. And similarly, 8 minus 5 is 3. Simply you have to cut 5 lines from the 8 lines. You will get 3 lines. Or simply there is one or other method that you need to count after 5 till the 8 with the counting after 5, 6, 7 and 8. So here you will get 3 and 3 minus 1 is 2. So your answer will be 235. Let's see some more example. So Let's see example of subtraction. Subtract 342 from 888. So simply the step number one, we have to write the number in HTO pattern. That is a 888 minus 342. Simply we need to subtract 2 from 8. So simply you have to count 8 till 8 after 2. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So how many you get? 6 lines. So here 8 minus 2 is 6. There is one more alternative. You have to draw simply the 8 lines, cut 2 lines out of them, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Both are same. Now 8 minus 4. You have to count till 8 after 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. So you will get the 4 lines. So answer will be 4. Now 8 minus 3. You have to count till 8 after 3. 3. Okay. So 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Here are 5 lines. So answer will be 546. Okay. So I hope this is very, very clear to do a subtraction of 3-digit number without carry. Without borrowing. Now move to the next topic. The subtraction of 3-digit number with borrowing. Now first we need to write the number in HTO pattern. We have to regroup it, and then we have to subtract ones group, then tens group, and lastly subtract hundred group. If we need to borrow in ones and ten groups, then borrow from the previous groups. Let's say we have an example 5. We have to subtract 216 from 586. Then first step is we have to write the number in HTO pattern. So 586 in HTO pattern and 216 from in HTO pattern. Now we need to subtract. Now we need to subtract the ones group first, then tens group, then hundred groups. In the ones group, we need to subtract 3 from minus 6. Now 3 is the smaller number than 6. Then you have to take the borrow from the tens group. Now you have to take borrow from tens group, that is a 8. 8 will become 7, and then this one, 1 means 10 is going to add with 0. That is a 13. Zeros group. Ones group, that is with 3. 10 is going to add with 3, that is 13. So it will become 13 minus 6. Now this 8 becomes 7. Now we have to subtract the 7, 1 from the 7. So here you will do the same thing. You have to subtract, okay, and then it will become 7 and 13. Then 13 minus 6 will be 7. Then 7 minus 1 is 6, and 5 minus 1, 5 minus 2 is 3. So here you will get answer 367. Now move to the next topic. Before going to move next topics, we do the some more sums. Okay, in the subtraction of 3-digit number with borrowing. Now we'll see some few examples like subtract 437 from 705. Suppose that we have this example. Now the first step we have to write in HTO pattern. HTO pattern 705, then 437 with minus sign. Now we need to subtract the ones group at first. We have to do 5 minus 7. Now 5 is the smaller number. Then how you will do it? We have to take borrow from the tens group. Now tens group have 0. It cannot give you borrow. So this 0 or tens group will take borrow from the hundreds groups. Now this 100 group will give borrow to the tens group, and then 10 group borrow to the zeros ones group, and then we are going to solve the problem. Then simply this 7 becomes 6, and then this 0 become 10. Now it will give borrow to the ones group, then it will become 9, and then this 5 become 15. I hope there is a clear understanding. Now let me repeat it again. Okay. At first we need to subtract 7 from 5. So we know that 5 is a smaller number, we cannot subtract. So what we will do, we'll take the borrow from the tens. Now 10 don't have any number to give, then it will take borrow from the edge group. Then simply this edge group become 6, 7 becomes 6, it will give borrow to the tens. 10 will give borrow to the ones group, that will become 15, and it is going to minus 1, that is 9. Now 15 minus 7, then 15 minus 7 become, we have to count after 7 till the 15. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 8 after 7. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. So it will become 8. Okay, now 9 minus 3. We have to count till the 9 after 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that is 3 and 3, 6. The 6 will be the answer. Now 6 minus 4 is 2. This will be the answer. I hope there is no problem. Let's see some more example. So the example will be, let's see, subtract 235 from 500. Okay, then first step is to write the number in HTO pattern. Then this is a 500 with the minus sign, 235. Now subtract. Now 5 is going to subtract from 0. 0 don't have anything to give, then it will take borrow from 10 group, and 10 group don't have anything, so it will take borrow from the edge group. Now edge group become 4, the 5 become 4, it will give 10. Now this 10 is going to this 10 will go borrow to the giving borrow to the ones group, then it will become 9, and this 0 become 10. Now again we have to subtract 5 from 10. As we know, we have to count after 5 till the 10. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So it will become 5. Then 9 minus 3. After 3 count करेंगे till the 9. Okay. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So it will become 6. Now 4 minus 2. We have to count till 4 after 2. That is a 3 and 4. So that will become 265. The answer will be 265 after subtraction of these two numbers. Now move to the next topic. Story sums. Let's do some story sums. A fruit seller had 358 bananas. He sold 200 bananas. How many bananas are left with him now? So here is a keyword, left. As we understand in the last video, the left is the keyword of subtractions. So in this problem, we need to subtract. Okay. He have large number of bananas, higher number of bananas. He sold little bit. And then how many bananas with him? So we will solve this problem in the whiteboard. So quickly move to the whiteboard. So number of bananas, sailor have, that is 583 banana, and then number of bananas he sold. He sold 200 bananas. Now how many bananas left? Simply we have to write the number in HTO pattern. So 583, and this is going to minus with 200. Always remember we have to minus the smaller number from the larger number. So 3 minus 0 is the same number 3, 8 minus 0 is the same number 8, and 5 minus 3. So simply we have to count after 2 till the 5. So 3, 4, 5. So answer will be 383 bananas he have now. So we will write the answer 383 bananas are left with him. This will be the answer. Okay, I hope there is no issue. Just quickly see the example again. Number of bananas seller had, this will be the first line. Then number of banana he sold, that is 200. Then simply we will do the subtraction because of we have left keyword. So the answer will be 388 bananas are left with him. Now move to the next topic. Next problem. A farmer planted 163 mango tree in a day. The next day he planted 128 more trees. How many mango trees did he planted in all? In all means we have to add. That is a keyword that I told teach you in the previous videos. So please go through it. If you don't seen it, they are very useful to it. Okay. So now we'll do the problem. Okay, let's move to the slide, whiteboard. So number of tree he planted a day. Planted by farmer. How many trees? I think 168. We'll cross check it. And then number of tree planted next day. That is, let's see the numbers. I forgot it. 163 and 128. So that is 163 and then 128. Now, how many trees are there in all? So simply need to write the number in HTO pattern and then add. So 163 plus 128. So 3 plus 8 is, we have to count after 8, 9, 10 and 11. This this is the 11. This one is going to right below the O or below the sum, and this one is going to be carry. So this one is added to tens group. So 6 plus 1 is 7 because the next number, and 7 plus 2 is 9. So this 9 is here and 1 plus 1 is 2. So total number of tree are 120 and 191. So how we'll write it? 2. Span is not working. Let me cross check it. Okay. 291 trees planted in all. This will be the answer. I hope there is no problems. Let's quickly move to the next story sum. That is basket A has 305 tomatoes. Basket B has 156 tomatoes. How many tomatoes are there in all? In all is again coming, means we need to add. Okay, these two number. So quickly see in the whiteboard how I'll do that. Number of tomatoes in basket A. How many tomato was there? A number of in basket B. So let me quickly check the numbers. The 305 and 156. So 305 and 156. So simply we need to write the number in HTO pattern to add 305 and 156. Quickly add these two numbers. 5 plus 6. So we have to count 5 after 6. That is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. This 11 one is added to here, and this one is carry. This one is carry. This is going to add with a tens group. So 0 plus 1 is the next number 1. 1 plus 5 is the next number 6. And 3 plus 1 is the next number 4. So the answer will be 416 tomatoes in all. So 461 tomatoes in all. That will be the answer that you need to write. Okay, always remember in a story sums, you have to write the answer in the way it is asked. If suppose that the question is how many tomatoes are there, so in the place of how many, you have to write that number. Means 461 tomatoes are there in all. So simply in this way, we will write the answer. Now, next question. Deepu had 259 pens. She gave 95 pens to her brother. How many pens are left with her? So let's see this with the whiteboard, how to solve. Okay. So number of pens Deepu had. How many pens was there? 295. Number of pens given to brother. That is 95. And now how many pens left? Left means it we are going to subtract. Okay. So write the number in HTO pattern. That is 295 with the sign of minus 95. Now we have to subtract the same number from the same number. That will be 0. And 9 minus 9 is also 0. Then 2 minus nothing means 2 minus 0 is the 2 number. So answer will be 200 pence. So how you will write the answer? 2, just a moment. 200 pence left with Deepu. So this will be the answer. I hope there is no problem. Now, uh, it's all about the more problems on addition and subtraction. So if there is any problem, then please do let me know in the comment section. I'll try to upload the worksheet with a link of worksheet in this video. With this video, you can find it in the description box. Please, if you like this video, then please do share it, subscribe my channel, and please comment if you have any problem and if you have any doubt. Thank you for watching this video. We'll meet in the next video soon. Thank you.